Welcome to the Daily App Show. Today we're going to take a look at an app called iabol. It's a postal shipping application that allows you to basically manage your U.S. Postal Service information from within this app. It's pretty neat because it actually uses your contacts and everything from within your device so that you can make shipments and print shipments. It uses AirPrint as you could print through your AirPrint enabled printers and print labels straight from here. So of course you can use multiple shipping choices you have available to you, but right over here we have the Postal Service, and so I could tap right here and we have our recent shipments would show up here. We have news that would show up in here, and then we have this kind of bar of information right here as well that we can view. Then we have a Dymo, looks like a Dymo ad down below. So if I want to ship an item, typically the way you would have to do this is either go online, or you'd have to go down to the postal office, or you'd have to have some sort of expensive software running that you'd have to license or something. That's typically what I would understand. But in this app, I can choose from my iPad contacts and load my contact right in to this section right here in the shipping section. And then so if I went ahead and just entered in some information, for example, I'll just put in some information. Choose our state, our zip code, phone number, hit next. We have our return address information stays automatically filled for us. Enter a package description and insurance if you want insurance. Do you want signature confirmation? Choose what type of, how you're wanting to ship it. So let's say it was a priority mail, small flat box. We've got that information there. I can hit ship package, and then as soon as I do that, it goes ahead and configures everything. If I chose a different form of packaging, it would give me whatever my pricing estimate would be for that particular shipment, which is great because then you know what the cost is going to be and you can complete that entire process right now. Now, if you already have your recent the recent people that you ship to added in your contacts, and you add that information into this app, it becomes a really quick way for you to ship. You can instantly ship things just by clicking only a few buttons. So you can see here we've got our shipping label generated, and I could print this label, email it, or just go back home. So very quickly I just generated a shipping label, and if I had an AirPrint enabled printer, I could go ahead and print that out. You can see what it does here. It goes ahead and opens that up in a browser window for me, and then I can select my printer and go ahead and print that label. So I don't have a enabled printer available, so I can't demo that feature. I can also track packages by going to track and typing in a tracking number. Notice that my recent shipments show up too. This is really neat because now you get the phone call, hey, did you ship it out, or it's been a couple of days, could you tell me where that package is at? All I have to do is tap on that shipment and it's going to go ahead and load that information here. Obviously it hasn't shipped yet, so we don't have any tracking information. I can view all of my addresses right here, my recent shipments. It makes it easy for me to access those. And of course I can also go and view all my information on their website as well. We can schedule a pickup by tapping right here and then tapping to request a pickup, a carrier pickup. We also can look for locations here using our current location. Simply tap find location, and then it can go out and show us our locations. I'm not connected through 3G right now, so it's not pulling in the most accurate locations. Under our settings, we can import all of our contacts right into the system, which is going to make it even quicker for us to access all of our contacts. You can use this with Indicia as well, which is I use that on my Mac to print labels, and so this works with that. I just go onto their website and do a little bit of configuration, and then this can now work with the existing software I'm already using. And then I can reset my password. Very simple. And then log out, of course, if you want to log out because maybe this device is used by other people. So this is a very powerful tool to have for those of you who may have a warehouse or something and you're wanting to ship out stuff and you want to be mobile while you're doing this. Now you can enter everything right here and print all this stuff out. Using that email feature, you could be printing out labels or creating labels anywhere, emailing those labels back to where you could print from. So you can create orders on the go, give people tracking numbers right away. Just the thoughts that keep going through my head are just how quickly you're able to do things and get that information out to people. So you can show them that their product or their package is being shipped right away. You can have access to all of the information at any time as long as you're connected to an internet connection. So that way you can answer those questions like, where is my package at, when you get that phone call. So very powerful application to have. Definitely check out iabol, this shipping application available for your iPad. You can get it in the App Store.